This is a king penguin colony. This colony at St Andrews Bay is the largest on South Georgia, at around 500,000 individuals. King penguins are monogamous, mating with only one partner for life, and finding a partner is the only thing on the mind of the male king penguin. When a free female is found, males will compete with one another to try and court her, flapping their wings and showing off their beaks. Though this female doesn't seem too interested, maybe she has a partner somewhere else already. Others already have partners, or even had a chick of their own. Pairs try to mate every year, though they are generally only successful every couple of years, and they lay one large egg. These chicks are nearly a year old now, but are still dependent on their parents for food. Their diet consists of squid and small fish, predominantly the lanternfish. The fish is partially digested in the stomach, then regurgitated so the chick can feed. The constant badgering by the chick eventually wins the parent over, and they are forced to feed their chick. King penguins are very curious animals, even more so in this nearly fledged juvenile. Once they are fully grown, they only have one natural predator, the leopard seal, so they have very little fear of humans, and this penguin is very interested in the camera. The chicks are unable to swim in the ocean due to their downy feathers, but they can still swim in the glacial rivers if they need to. Chicks don't lose their brown feathers until they are almost 16 months old. Only then, as summer begins, can they swim in the ocean and feed for themselves. The currents here are strong, so dips in these freezing waters are brief, and they clamber out back into the vast colony. Further away from the colony, there is a bit of peace and quiet. This penguin is resting on the balls of its feet, reducing contact with the ground in an attempt to reduce heat loss. The muscles that control their feet are warmly tucked away inside their bodies, while there are only tendons in their feet, again limiting heat loss. Penguins alternate looking after their chicks once a week, and this penguin seems to have got stuck in the mud on the way to the sea. Others have safely made it to the beach. The next task is getting through the rough surf to get out into the open ocean. In a week's time, these penguins will return to relieve their partners.